Contents of the project. Overview of project. Purpose of project. Architecture and designing. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, MongoDB, Express, React, Node.js, and website screenshot and conclusion. First, overview of the project. The hotel booking application is built using MERN stack. The app consists of several components include the home screen, my booking screen, hotel detail screen, login and sign up screen, and my account screen. The home screen display the list of hotels and include the search bar and number of guests for booking hotel. Next, purpose of project. The purpose of this project is develop the hotel booking application using the merge tag. The app allows the user to book hotel. The app is designed to be user friendly with a clean and moderate interface. A hotel booking application goal are to offer a particular and efficient platform that links customer and business and enabling seamless hotel booking and hotel services. Next is architecture and designing. This project is developed with the use of HTML, CSS and JavaScript in the front end, and in the back end we have used the merge tag like MongoDB, Express, React and Node.js to develop the backend part. We have used Mailtrap to store all the login related details, and the backend cover all the hotel details and booking detail, etc. First, HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to design the web page using the markup language. HTML is a combination of hypertext and markup language. Hypertext defines the link between the web pages. A markup language is used to define the text document within the text, which is define the structure of the web page. This language is used to evaluate text so that the machine can understand it and manipulate the text accordingly. HTML is a markup language used by the browser to manipulate text, image, and other contents in order to display it in the required format. HTML has created by the Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. Next is CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Stylist Sheet. It is the style sheet language which is used to describe the look and the formatting of the document written in markup language. It provides additional features to HTML. It is generally used with the HTML to change the style of the web page and user interface. It can also use with the kind of XML document include plain XML, SCV and XUL. Next is JavaScript. JavaScript is a dynamic computer programming language. It is a lightweight and most commonly used as a part of the web page. Whole implementation allow client-side scripted to interact with the user and make dynamic page. It is an interrupted programming language with object-oriented capabilities. The tools used in project: MERN, M for MongoDB, E for Express.js, R for React.js, N for Node.js. First, MongoDB. MongoDB is an open source non-SQL database management program. Non-SQL, not only SQL, is used as an alternative to traditional relational database. Non-SQL databases are quite useful for working with large set of distributed data. MongoDB is a tool that can manage document-oriented information, store or relative information. Express.js. Express is a fast, iterative, sensitive, and modulated web framework for Node.js. You can assume Express as a layer built on the top of the Node.js that helps manage a server and routes. It provides a robust set of features to develop the web and mobile application. Next is React.js. React is a framework that employs Webpack to automatically compile React, JS, JAX, and ES6 code while handling CSS file prefixly. React is a JavaScript-based UI development library. Although React is a library rather than a language, it is widely used in the web development. The library first appeared in May 2023, 2013, and is now one of the most commonly used front-end library for web development. Next is Node.js. Node.js is an open source cross-platform script JavaScript runtime environment and library for running web application outside the client browser. Ryan Dahl developed it is in 1929 2009, and its latest iterated version is 21.0.5 was released in April 2021. Developer by Node.js to create server-side web application, and it is perfect for data integration application since it is used in uncompromised environment model. Project screenshot. It is a home page, hotel rating page. Next is login page, my profile page, my booking page, my accommodation, my booking details, registration, update password, update profile. Conclusion. In conclusion, the MERN stack is a powerful combination of technologies that allow users to create full stack web application with else the stack includes MongoDB, ExpressJS, React.js, and Node.js, which provide the seamless end-to-end development experience for building dynamic and high-performance application. Hello guys, it is a project demo. In in project code, we can create the front-end folder. In front-end folder, src folder. In src folder, component folder is there. In component folder, we can create the folder name as accommodation for storing the all information about accommodation page. Accommodation.js, accommodation form, what entity can here entities in parking is free or not, that is given, washing machine is there or not, it all are defined here. Then address is given from us in amenity. Then amenity amenities is their checkbox. Then upload image, here we can upload the image. Then next is home page. In home page we can create a filter for the filtering the filtering the uh, properties. Then filter models, what is included in filter, here we can use the price ranges 600 to 30,000, and also the here we can give minimum price, maximum price, property type, room type, amenities. In property option, we can use any type. In amenities, there are Wi-Fi, kitchen, AC, washing machine, TV, pool, free parking. Then footer for uh, here we can footer copyrights reserved for 2023 WSA. All rights are reserved. And here the list we can give. Then header for header file. Here we can input all the get all property and filter and search bar for heading side. Then property list. Here we can create the symbol home pin for back end property details. And here search JS. In search JS we can give input as a city name. It can give the output for us. Date in, date out, and number of guests. It is like a search. Then my booking. Here gives all detail about what we can book, which hotel we can book. It shows the images, price, and the day in to day out of our booking. Then my bookings. It is a simply container show what you can booking. Then payment. For payment, you open the form like card number, card expiry, and card CVC number. When you proceed, it can pay and go to login page. Then property details. There are booking form. From property details, there are booking form from price, property name, address, maximum guest, property ID, and current booking. Then date string is month, year, month, date. It can calculate the nights by calculate total by price into total calculation of nights. And here then map component. Here it show the map of the map map of our project, map of where the hotel is location. Then model, then property amenities, then property details, which amenity is required, how many number of guests is, and property images. The images are get by the backend from MongoDB. Then user can edit profile, user then edit profile. User can edit profile, phone number, avatar upload. Then forgot password. If user are forgot their password, then is it use forgot password button. Email, we can input the email and forgot password. It is give our mail and login page. In login page, there are email field and password field. If you are registered, then give your email ID and password which you can set. Then profile. In profile, there are three fields. There are show the full name of your in register, email address, phone number, and down to that edit profile plus change password. then reset password. In reset password you give password, current password, then confirm password and new password and submit button. There are sign up page and update user password. In update user password, current password, new password and new password confirm and submit it. Then store that JS. We can create accommodation action for running the accommodation for running accommodation for files. What action can be and accommodation dot slice. Then booking for booking accommodation booking action and booking slice. For payment action and payment slice. In property action and property slice. And in property action, here we can give the API for the from backend and slice. Then user action, what user can log in, how to can, then got forgot password, then he get the email from us and user slice. Then storages, here we can store all the slice properties like property slice, property detail slice, user slice, payment slice, booking slice, accommodation slice, which we can create here. All slice properties are added in store.js. Then in app.js we can give routes, path, main. So main is here main. In main, header, outlet and footer. So routes, then id equal to login, path equal to login, and element is due to login page, and then profile, here login page. Here we can input my booking from my bookings details from my details. Here we can add the file path which can call here, then strip promise and payment, and then app.js and all of them. The package we can install, it is in here: xui, ntd, route react down, react router down, react script, react toastify, and all others. The project is look like this. Here is the properties page, home page. Here is a home logo. We can click. If you are click on home page, it go again come to login home page. Here the search bar, you can search anything, any city name. It can shortlist and give your the properties. Then again go to home. Here is a filter. You can give any filter like the range and apply filter. It can sorted and give your the price range between 600 to 3000. Then clear, and af- after that property, you can click on property. Here is a information. Here is the name of the property, location of the property, and images. How it is image gallery. You can see what is in the properties. See all, and then description about this property. All description. Maximum number of guests is 10. Here is the booking form. Here we can get the date from to from and number of guests, then full name and phone number. Here is the offers, properties, place, parking, kitchen, and where is it is a Google map. Where is the properties found and extra information. If you are go to booking, here give your card number, then month of expiry, 234, and CVC number and pay. After pay, you can come to your my booking form, my booking page. Here we can all detail about booking information. In my account, in my profile, there are full name of your register, email address, and phone number. Here you can edit the profile by changing the name, phone number, and give your author. Here you can change the password using current password, new password, and current password. Here current password. Then here is a my accommodation. Here you can add your own properties, property name, address, where is location, then photos, upload here, then give description about that, then properties, property type, any type, room type, then home is flat, guest, then amenities you can add by click box and extra information about that home and check in on checkout date. Here you can give time, maximum number of guests, and price per night. And you can log in here by giving your email address and password. If you are a new user, you can register from here, name, email address, password, confirm password, phone number, and register. Then you can automatically log. If you forgot the password, then forgot. Give your email ID and send mail. You get the send mail from here. I can log in from my register. After login, it can looks like that. My accommodation, my details, my profile. That's all about the